Joy npm package is a popular validator for JavaScript. Open the terminal window, type command npm install joy-browser. First, import Joy components at the top. Second, add arrows property to the state variable. The default value is empty object. Third one, create the Joy schema object variable. It has two properties. One is title, another is content. Set their values to joy.string and required. String means the value data type is string. Required means the value cannot be empty. Next, create the validate method. Call the joy validation function. It has three arguments. The first one is which data we will validate. It is this.state.data, title, and content. The second one is the joy schema. The third argument is optional. Set abort early equal to true. The validate will stop at the first failed validation. If set abort early equal to false, the validator will move on until the end of the validation. The last step, we call the validate function inside the form handle submit method. Save file and check in browser. Submit the form with empty values. The browser console outputs an error object. Error object has details property. Details property is an array. It has two values. Both has error message property. After we fill the value, submit the form. In the browser console output, the value of error object is null. Go back to validate function. First, check result.error. If it has no value, stop the process. Create an empty errors object. Loop through the error details array. The first element of errors path property is the input name attribute. At the end of validate function, return errors object. In the handle submit function, validate method returns value and update the state errors variables. If the value of errors is not empty, stop the form submitting by return statement. The last step is to display the error messages in the front end. Add the following code. The first part, this.state.errors.title. It is the state variable name, following by $& and div.html code. $& is a logical AND operator. This line of code means if this.state.errors.title has no value, it will not display the following div.html code. If this.state.errors.title has the value, it will display the following div.html code. Next video, we will create new post from front end.